They say Texas is a big state, but you know what else was pretty big this year? FS Expo 2023. Welcome back, everyone. Hope you're doing well after an eventful weekend here in Houston. First of all, I want to say it was an honor to meet you guys. For those that watch me and also get to meet other content creators, it was pretty cool hanging out with them, getting to pick their brain and learn a little bit more about them. But in this video, we're going to be recapping a bit of what happened during that weekend. Everything from the seminars, what we saw in the booth, and what were my favorites. So I'm going to start off with some details real quick here. FS Expo had about 1,900 people check in, by far the biggest Flight Sim Expo yet. And from what I've been hearing, it's going to get bigger. It's going to be more exciting. Some of the things that stood out to me, man, during this event were pretty much the things that got announced on Friday, which was the F-16 Viper TQS beyond ATC and the Comanche 250 from A2A Simulations, man. Those were a couple of things that stood out to me during the Friday event. We'll talk about it more here. Hey man, I'm really loving that Comanche. I'm not gonna lie. Might be getting me into some GA action. Thrustmaster started the day off by introducing the F-16 Viper TQS throttle quadrant system, which is a high quality gaming peripheral design, and it's an update to the hottest, I believe I'm saying it right, the hottest. Some of the things that stood out to me during this seminar was pretty much the throttle controls, how precise and smooth the throttle lever felt, some of the tent and the afterburners, as well as the button and hat, and as well as that the fact that you had the flare button just right there, man. Makes the immersion insane, at least for me. Beyond ATC, man, this is one of the awesome add-ons that I got to see during the expo. I was fortunate enough to test it out, talk to the developer about it. But for those that don't know, it's an AI-assisted voice recognition that's going to assist pilots in learning and becoming more familiar with the ATC phraseology and aviation communications and all that. Like I said, I had the opportunity to test it out. I can confidently say that it shows promising potential, man. The system's ability to understand and respond to voice commands, especially for me, because you guys know I'm always butchering up words. I probably have a few of those in this video. Somebody's gonna point out. We are slotted, or maybe slotted, to try out Beyond ATC during its beta. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But here's a short preview of what you can expect.
124.3. That's 24.3. Squawk 3427.
London Control, good morning. Easy 88901, 3000 for 4000.
Easy 88901. Good morning to you as well. Radar contact. Turn left heading 090. Climb and maintain flight level 060.
Well, that was Beyond ATC for you guys. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am about this. But up next is going to be A2A Simulations. And we're talking about GA here, man. Chewy Nuts is talking about GA. The Comanche 250, man, showcased by Two-Tone Murphy and the owner of the development company A2A. They talked about the walkthrough, the checklist procedures, the failures, the amount of detail they put into the fly pad to see the engine status on startup. Man, it was a pretty good approach that they're taking, and I'm excited to be able to test it out. See, now I'm not much of a GA guy, as you guys know, but this definitely brought some more attention into that side, and I'm looking forward to trying it out, as well as man, the video showcase the process that went behind recording the audios. They even showcase how they pulled the Comanche, a real Comanche 250, across the field to get the sound to be as realistic as possible. But I will show you guys those videos, and here they are.
Let me demonstrate 3 engine starts back to back. Same aircraft, same conditions. It took a little longer to start. Started right up. That was the longest out of all. Now we do have a weak cylinder. Just listen carefully. If you're ever... Now, you're probably thinking, how did you possibly capture those ground sounds without the engine drowning out the recordings? Well, let me show you. Well, a Land Cruiser and a rope goes a long way capturing awesome ground sounds.
And there you have it, guys. Those are some of the things that caught my attention during the FS Expo. Here are a few more clips of other things that I captured, like the 320 full cockpit simulation here. Man, looking at this, it looks so real. I tell you what, man, my money is gonna go towards that. We got here another simulation showing off monitors, a cockpit for a Cessna, featuring the Alpha controllers here. The new versions of the Alphas are coming out soon. Man, they look great. This is the first time seeing Alphas. Definitely looking forward to them. And there's no better way to end FS Expo than watching some landings at Hobby. And you bet we had to see them take off as well. If you made it to this part of the video, man, I want to say thank you. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell so you guys don't miss out. All my other videos are coming up. Again, thank you. It was a pleasure meeting you guys at FS Expo 2023. See you next year.